Can you guys hear me? Hey, how's everybody doing tonight? I'm good, thanks. That's how you guys should respond. Ready? How are you guys doing tonight? I'm good. That's good. I'm so glad. Thanks, guys. I'm going to start out with a song called Healin' Soul. Tuesdays and Thursdays always are the worst days, the days that I curse, days that leave you cloudy and gray. Living underwater right here with my father, I'm praying to the God here that leaves you cold and afraid. Oh, and this might be the way that I blow away the haze, and I'll face my fears and fear my face sometimes, and I'll take steps forward and help the road unwind. Soul, in the use of the healing soul. Isolation igloo, big enough to walk through. I'll grab a piece of chalk to write a message outside. A message in a bottle, hand upon the throttle. I'm looking for a model of how to live my life. Oh, and this might be the way that I blow away the haze, and I'll face my fears and fear my face sometimes, and I'll take steps forward and help the road unwind. Who would have known the key to break and heal the soul? In the use of the healing soul. When a ghost of you is all I see, and a shell of you is all I see, I'll look inside, the question why solidifies. I look inside, the question why solidifies. Look inside, the question why solidifies your humanity. Thank you. Thank you all very much. You guys are a really good-looking audience. Good job. So I'm gonna sing a song in German. Ich liebe Deutschland. Deutschland ist meine Frau. Okay. Hey, I'm Taylor. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm Taylor Woodward. That's my set for today. I'm going to start out with a song called Healin' Soul.